caver goat.
The red light come on?
Yeah, it's flashing.
Okay.
All right. Hannah, I'm excited.
Me too.
I need to turn on this light.
It's foggy.
It's foggy in here. Oh, it feels good after that hike.
Yeah, it does.
Feels really good.
So we hiked, what, about 4 miles to get here?
Absolutely. It was a long way.
Hiked 4 miles to get here. And we're in the Pitkin Limestone today, which is kind of unusual. Normally we're in something else.
Hey, look at the cave salamander. You missed it. It's right here.
Is it a long-tailed or a cave?
No, just a cave.
Aww.
It's a little one.
Oh, look, and there's a western slimy salamander.
What? Good eye.
Organics on the sea level, that's always a good sign.
Whoa, how cool is that?
Cross lines are that run through that.
Look, there's another one. That looks like a long tail. Maybe? Yeah.
Is it still as long as it's white?
He's still orange with white spots. Still long tail.
You think it is?
So long.
You think it is now?
Oh, I don't know. You're the tour guide.
No.
The cave guide.
I think it is because its tail is a lot skinnier. Like really small. Skinny.
Yeah, we're gonna get really wet in this cave. I need to put my glove on. There's another one. Boy, there's like, they're everywhere in here. Oh, that,
Poor baby.
he seems okay.
Yeah, he fell, he plunged.
Yeah, he took a plunge.
He dove. Sit aside.
Oh my God.
Aw, here's another one. That looks like a cave salamander.
Different.
Yeah.
It's just interesting how different it is.
He or she is pretty.
It's 5 already.
Just looks so different.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll see a grotto.
Yeah.
Those are six or dark sided.
Yeah.
There are formations.
Oh.
That.
Isn't that pretty?
Yeah, my light on the GoPro quit working, so I need
Oh, hold on. So you want light?
I need light. Let there be light.
There was light.
Send the
I already
light.
warned you about getting religious.
Send the light. That's pretty.
That's pretty. Does anybody need to pee yet?
Yeah.
What's up? Oh, that's just up in that upper sinuous stream thing. Yeah, it looks like it could be passageway.
I've never climbed up there just because
Why does it say Nathan right here?
Actually, does it say HMB?
It says Jim.
Oh my goodness, I was like, Hannah.
Jim.
That would be really weird if it had your initials.
Every
That I
time we
would
come
be
back,
like,
there's
yeah, and then Adam's initials next. Like, wait a
That
second.
would be
crazy.
me and Nathan. Isn't that pretty?
It is pretty. Look at that.
Look, there's a salamander too over there. Look at the rimstone dams. Isn't that cool?
That is cool. Where'd you see the salamander? I didn't see it.
Remember, where'd he go? Oh, there he is. He's looking at you.
Oh, up there.
Who wants his picture taken?
Posing.
Yeah.
Actually, he only has one eye. That's kind of weird.
That's a really good pose, actually, for a salmon.
It is.
Look at my side.
Get my good side. Get my
He's
good
even
side.
winking at us.
He's winking at you.
Yeah, I'm glad it's not muddy water coming in.
Chips and flowers. You see, maybe I can just do a picture too.
No, yeah, I was going to talk about.
Isn't that pretty? Think about all the limestone that had to be dissolved. Let's put a loop on it this way. We'll try to keep our hands off of this.
I know.
Yeah. It's so pretty, but boy, it choked. So these flowstones are notorious for choking their sources off. But sometimes if you look around, you can find a bypass and pop into some caves.
Check this out.
Oh, that's pretty.
Oh, there's some stalactiflats.
Oh, and you'll see another big flowstone.
Oh my god.
Wow. So
No,
we're
that's
underneath
just
that big
cool.
flowstone that we just saw. That's cool.
Oh my
What's
god.
that, Hannah? That right there?
That?
Tour guide.
Stalactiflat.
Oh, you're so good.
Shield right here.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, it looks like a big old vertical shield that's been
You sure?
resolution. Look at that. See the some iron in there. I thought it was a vertical shield that had been resolution, but it looks like boxwork.
Oh, yeah.
Pretty cool, huh?
This is cool.
That light's blinding.
What do you think of this stuff?
Where are we at?
I don't remember this.
I don't remember that.
I don't remember this.
I forgot about it until Nathan.
Yeah, you can go this way.
We usually need the light when I get down there.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
You guys will probably want to go hide.
Okay. Are you gonna take the light, Hannah?
I got the light.
It was flying at me and I couldn't move. I'm actually looking for if we were even get off in the water. I have overdressed
There goes Hannah. Hannah May May.
so far. I'm better than the other thing.
Light.
This is light.
Small. Oh.
I was able to keep my core dry. It just kept pulling at me. Yeah. Okay.
Caught by the band. Dude, can you grab the GoPro? Because it's actually on. Thank you. Glad you're not behind me.
Really?
Really? It was tight. Look at that. Look at the hole.
Yeah. That's little.
Alright,
Oh, where did it go?
there we go. Oh, up. Go up, Hannah, go up.
I even wonder if over here, the light,
Good boy,
you can see it in here.
Anna, you have an option.
I'm sorry.
Now.
going.
I'm sorry, Kate.
Would you help me get this?
Me and the cave are having a moment.
How often do y'all go caving? Is it like a weekly activity?
For a while it was, but since he's been trying to get his, adjuster's license and stuff, we've slowed down a lot. But yeah, for a while there it was once, twice a week.
I go caving 4 days a week.
She goes every day.
Common route.
Yeah.
About 10 to 4.
She struggles getting her tours down to the appropriate time. They're always too long.
They're always too long. There's just so much to talk about.
That's so cool.
It's giving people more for their money.
I've never seen a passage like this before, Mom.
Yeah, this is pretty neat.
This is so cool.
It almost reminds me of Mark Twain cave up at Hamilton.
Really?
It's like a maze type cave. It's got narrow passages going everywhere. It's amazing. This goes on and on and on. Oh, it's cold. Whoa, I almost dropped the camera. Yeah, I got my arm on the wall. This is crazy. This is so cool.
This is amazing. I think this is the prettiest little cave I've been in. I think it's my favorite
So far.
so far.
We gotta do more caving, right?
Yeah.
This is neat. Oh my goodness.
I feel like it's something to see out of a movie.
Yeah, right?
I felt very young about October Rangers Day. I feel like I'm bored, like moving to a mountain.
It's sinking.
Holy shnikes! Good grief! Goodness! Okay. Keep my core dry, keep my core dry.
Oh. Oh my goodness. I gotta try this one so I can crawl. I don't think I can do it with one hand. I don't know, maybe. Let's see.
Good grief!
Wow, that.
We qualify to join the army after this.
Well, you're doing the army crawl.
Way to go where you don't get wet. No, I'm kidding.
Okay.
Oh, I did it, get my core dry. I'm so proud of myself. You okay, Mom?
Yeah.
Your core wet?
No, I did good.
Good job.
I'm sending this here. So I can have my hand. Oh no, it's so balance. making it seem silly.
So if you were to see,
Oh.
alright, so imagine the big level unit. You can in a big room. And that big room went up what we think maybe 100 feet.
Yeah.
And then at the top of that, we were at the ceiling of that and we came in between here. And now here we are at the end of that going up another, what do you think, 70 feet?
Yeah, at
But
least.
that's almost 200 vertical feet. We're going to just hit from here, like that's as many feet as we can have. So this is just taking up all the vertical space that's probably within the kitchen over there. That's probably that's probably where water's coming in from the surface. Not, I would guess, not very far from.
Yeah, a sinkhole or something up
Yep.
there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
I
it's
can't
good water
see.
flow. Maybe you want to kind of go up maybe look for a pond or something.
Yeah.
For real, like it would just be losing water into it all the time.
Right. That's crazy.
So pretty.
I was really curious if this would have any like sign of extra flow.
Maybe you can see that. That's a long way. Oh, that's cool.
Caver goat.